Hello. Y'all might have heard the weather radio in the previous video, but this time it's gonna be a Piper and Riley video right now. Here's Briar, and it isn't good out there.
Your dog got plenty of water? She's needing some.
Oh, be right back. I gotta fill up Piper's water bowl, but not Riley because he. Okay. Oh. Is this gonna... Sorry.
Until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:37 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Kenneth, Carruthersville, Haytime, Steele, Finnett, Reelfoot Lake State Park, Tiptonville, Ridgely, Hornersville, Haytime Heights, Wardell, Bolton, Deering, Cottonwood Grove, Clayton, Hornick, Sandburg, Bragg City, Pascola, and Hathaway. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering
I like that
flooded
phrase.
roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, country roads, farmland, and other low-lying spots. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties: Mississippi, Arkansas, and the following counties in Missouri, Dublin and Hamascon, and the following. A severe thunderstorm warning.
Well, that was awkward.
Until 4 p.m. Central.
So, hey there, Riley. Hey there, Piper. I see y'all are reading. So, I went to record the EAS straight away.
Anybody's guessing exactly when the former president comes out on that stage. Could be any moment now. But please stand by joining us on the phone. It's Ronnie Jackson. Congressman, welcome. Good afternoon to you. What do you want to hear from the former president?
Hey there, Riley. Hey there, Piper. Would y'all start playing? Come on. Come on, puppies. Come on, puppies. Come here, Riley. The warning was a flash flood warning. Mm-hmm. Hey there, Briar. Hey there, Briar. Come on, Riley. Hurry. Here comes another one.
Two puppies.
Riley. Rye. Pie. Sorry, this was Riley and this was Piper. Sorry.
And a bra bra.
Bra is my baby brother.
And a zang zang.
Dr. Jackson, it's Sean Roberts. Good to talk to you again. It's been a
Should
while.
I say zangy wangy?
What's the mood like there in the room in terms of
Fanny Waney, crackers and cheese. He's so ornery, he'll bark.
No, that's Papsy Wapsy chicken and cheese. She's so ornery, she'll bark at you. Huh. Hi, Pepper.
But I think everybody here is committed to playing the hand he's dealt right now and moving forward. And that's really the attitude here. In the room, like I said, the enthusiasm is really high in the room. So it's a very sensitive situation here.
Words were matched with some dancing by the crowd there. You're hearing that famous Trump rally music list, Gloria playing now.
Hey there, Pepper. She a good girl. She a good girl.
Comes out. You heard Macho Man a moment ago. Obviously a very energetic crowd on the ground there. We were given the 5-minute warning a couple minutes ago that we would see Donald Trump take that stage. So expect that moments from now. Congressman, finally, just...
Okay, let's go see Riley. Let's go see what he's doing. Seriously? Seriously? Stop it, Riley. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What do you got, Riley? Maybe we all better head to my room to get some updates.
What's your weather radio saying?
That there's a tornado watch for our county, which is Craighead, Arkansas.
Just a watch, not a warning.
We better go into my room to get some more updates. That includes you, Riley. And that includes you, Pepper.